Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys find anything useful or learn something new. And if you guys don't like the content, make sure to hit that thumbs down button so that I know that you guys didn't like the content, and that will motivate me to make better content for you guys. So let's start with the topic. Why do people buy silver, gold, or any asset class? It might be when it's high or when it's expensive, and not buy, or not even consider buying when the prices are low or cheap. Well, there are actually three reasons, and first to go hand in hand with each other. But the first reason would be FOMO. FOMO is an abbreviation of fear of missing out. So what that is whenever an average person, when they see something or an asset class, whether it be silver, gold, or even Bitcoin. Yeah, that's my ledger, and I have some Bitcoins, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies divided into these two ledgers. So how could I not add Bitcoin or crypto when talking about fear of missing out? Because we've seen recently, whenever the Bitcoin jumps, there's like people after it, and then it crashes, and then they go back to their normal lives, and it happens over and over again. And right now, when I'm filming this video, it's at $23,000, the highest it ever has been so far. So I wanted to talk about it and put these ledgers for you guys in here. And I never talked about it before that I'm stacking this, because it's a very controversial topic, especially when it's about silver and gold. It could be a little sensitive for some people, and I didn't want to be in between some sensitive topic or controversial topic. Anyways, right now I am, I guess. But there you have it, guys, my ledger. And now you guys know that I also stack Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the side. Anyways, so what usually happens with these average people? By average people, I mean the people who are just living their own lives, and they're just doing their own thing. And all of a sudden, somebody, or the news, or social media, or whatever it may be, or a friend, a neighbor, they would just talk about any asset class. So we're talking about silver right now, so let's use silver as an example. When the silver was like around 49.8 back in 2011, there was no silver to be found. The local coin shops were out of stock, because people were gone crazy, and everyone was buying silver because they didn't want to miss out on the opportunity, because they had unrealistic expectations from it. And these expectations are set by the media, and there are these people in our community who are called as pumpers. What they do is they pump up the price. They just make bold statement and unrealistic statements about the prices of silver. For example, someone would say, I wouldn't name the names, so but you guys know who these people are. Some of them are like guys in ETFs. They're highly invested in the paper silver, or they might have like a silver mining company, or majority shareholders in silver mining company. They would actually pay the influencers to push up the prices and make unrealistic statements. And an average person who doesn't know about silver or anything would listen, and would just not want to miss out on the opportunity that let me buy silver at $40 because it's gonna be $500 or $400 or even $1,000. We don't know what they hear, or what comes to them, and in what way. So they get like blindsided by these emotions and these fake dreams and the expectations that they are put into them. So that's the number one, guys: fear of missing out. Now, the second reason is actually the opposite of FOMO. That is like when the prices are low, these people, the average people, would think, it's so low because it's not worth anything, and they wouldn't buy it. While on the other hand, we stackers or the investors or the people who are financially educated would actually see it as a sale. They would say, you know what, it's so cheap right now. Before I could buy this, now with the same price I can buy a kilo bar, so it's half the price, it's on sale. We should stack up more of it, because we're in this for a long run, for decades to come, for retirement. And everyone has like different reasons, prepping or whatever it might be. So for us it's a different scenario. And for guys who already lost their money when it was high, they wouldn't even want to buy it when it's cheap. So that's the number two reason, guys, because they don't see value in it, and that's why they think it's cheap right now. And the number three reason, guys, is when the economy is doing good, automatically the silver prices or the other safe havens are down. Okay, so whenever the prices are low, the average person would not even consider buying these things, because he has a stable job, he's making a good income, he has money saved up in the bonds and in stocks and other things. So for them, it does not make any sense to buy silver at that point, because it's already cheap, because the market is doing good. And as you guys know, that whenever the price of silver is high, that's because when there is uncertainty in the market, when there is the economy is not doing as good, that's when we see silver, gold, rise up. So there you have it, guys. 3 reasons why people buy high but wouldn't buy when the prices are low. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I highly appreciate the support that I'm getting, and the subscribers are, going up every day. And thank you guys for watching till the end. I highly appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button or the dislike button if you guys didn't enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.